This offer is off.
What offer are we talking about here?
Your friend here will repeat the class.
What?
I think we are done here.
We're not done, please. I'm still begging you. Have a change of heart, please. Please, sir. It means everything to me. Please.
Udo.
Beg him some more.
Let's go.
No, wait. Let's
Udo.
beg him some more.
Udo, get up. Let's
Sir,
go.
please.
Udo, get up. Let's go.
Please, no.
Udo, come on.
I want to beg him some more, sir, please.
Go, Udo. Let's go.
Sir?
Let's leave this place. You're not God.
Sir, please. Sir.
Udo.
Help me, I have him.
No.
Please.
Sir.
What are you doing?
He wants sex. And I will give him sex.
Shh, no. Shh.
Let's just say that I will have sex with you and you pass my friend. I promise to give you a better grind than my friend here.
I'm sorry. Whose result are we talking about again?
Mine. Udoka Maduekwe, sir.
Then Udoka Maduekwe pays the price. I think it's time both of you leave my office before I do something stupid.
But you're doing something very stupid already.
What?
Goodness! What manner of a man are you? A man of your standing, requesting sex from his subject. And as if that is not bad enough, you further want to steal the innocence of a young girl? Goodness! What makes you feel you stand a chance? Just because you are one mean local university lecturer? You're so shameless. You think you are in position to deflower a girl? Punk ass.
You know what? I think I'm calling the security.
Yo,
right
you
now.
just go ahead and call the security and do that fast. You are a total disgrace! A disgrace to manhood! You have failed the world. I promise you, someday soon, the world will fail you. Punk. Udo, let's go! Let's get out of this. Let's go. Come on.
One day, you will remember this day. You will remember when a helpless undergraduate stood here in your office pleading with you for a favor that means nothing to you. Yet you vehemently refused. You will remember this day how badly you've hurt a poor soul like me. And the memory of it, the memory will haunt you for the rest of your life.
Udo, wait. Hold on. Here. Hold this for me. Go on. Just hold on to it. We're certainly not going to leave without a fight. This honorable man. I've got nothing to lose. I have my results already, so why not? Make I beat this man! Hey! I will beat him!
Somebody just had an accident and we need you to fix him immediately.
What is really the problem, Dr. Doka?
I know the patient.
So?
I won't be performing the surgery on him.
Why?
It's a long story.
But you know...
I have to leave now.
Wait. PTSD.
Yes. Excuse me.
My friend, Dr. Chukwanu, tells me that sometimes emotional blockage destroying organs of bodies. He explaining to me that sometimes some people are not get pregnant because they are angry about something in the past or present. Moi, Kaikumanu, Wiri Melegu, is breast. I'm not angry about anything in the past or present. Biangyem, are you angry about something in the past or present?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Hello. I saw him today. I saw the devil today. Please come. Please.
Have you ever been hurt? Hurt so badly you can only ask for grace to do what is right. Have you ever been
How do you feel?
Battered. Emotionally battered.
The day has finally come.
What day?
The day you will have no choice but to confront your fears.
I am not afraid.
You are. It's well over 7 years.
Seven years. That feels just like 7 months ago.
Udo, there is no possibility in this world that you fail that course. I mean, how is that even possible?
Med 606. Med 606. Yes. Professor Damian's course. No. You're right. It's not possible. It's not possible.
My God. I remember you've always made an A in that course. Always been an A. It's always been.
Maybe it must have been a missing script. I say so because I can bet my life on the fact that I got at least a B in that course. Med 606.
My point is, why didn't Professor Damian just declare a missing script instead of writing an F? I mean, who does that? F.
There's only one way to find out. One way.
Where are you going? What do you want to do?
Are you saying I don't know my job, Miss Udoka?
No, sir. It must be an omission.
An omission?
Yes, sir.
Are you confessing my ineptitude in discharging my duties?
No. No, not at all, sir. What I mean is that there must have been an error or a mix-up that occurred whilst the examination sheets were being marked. Maybe not by you. Maybe from the person or persons that marked the sheets on your behalf. I say so with due respect, sir, because I'm confident on the answers I provided in my answer sheet. I know what I wrote in the exams. And it's a known fact that the course you're taking us on is one of the few courses that I find most interest on. Brain tissues and the likes.
Get out.
Sir?
I say get out of my office.
Sir, I'm very sorry if the tone of my voice or my choice of words have misconstrued what I'm trying to say. Because, sir, I don't mean to offend.
Get out of my office, Miss Udoka, before I lose it on you.
Sir, I burnt lots of midnight candles for these final exams. It matters to me that my results are complete. This is our final year and...
Get out!
Udo. Penny for your thoughts.
Udo, you know, a problem shared is half solved. So tell me, what bothers you?
Yeah, my mom's medication costs me 15,000 naira every month. You also know that I finance my studies from the money we make as farm traders.
Although you know I already know all of this. So...
What you don't know is that land, we sold it last year.
Why? Why did you do that?
My mom's health worsened. She had to go for surgery. The money realized from the sale of the land we used for her surgery. Then the balance is what has financed my studies till this final year. That's it. Where in heaven's name am I supposed to get money to finance another year of studies when I can barely maintain my mother's health? I can't maintain myself. And then there's my brother, my twin brother who dropped out of school since SS2 just so I can finish my own studies. The plan is that when I graduate, but we don't have money. I will have enough money for him to do his own schooling. So you see, with all of this, with all these impending bills, having an extra year is rather too retrogressive. Is it not?
Udo, you know you really don't have to go through an extra year. I mean, everything in life has its price. So, what if we just ask Prof to name his price?
You mean like pay him? With which money? I don't have money.
Udo, there's a price for everything. Okay? Just relax. Everything will be fine. I promise you. Sleep, my dear. Sleep. 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 Sir, my friend, she has a token for you. It's an envelope. Nothing really much, but something that can at least fuel your car for a week. Let's just say it's her way of, apologizing for all the troubles caused. Sir.
Really? Okay. 200,000.
Two.
200,000 naira.
Abba. I know now. I mean, with due respect, sir, we are young girls in our 20s, students of a Nigerian university. Where on earth do you expect us to get such an amount if we don't either sell an arm or maybe a leg?
Then sell it.
Hello? You very stupid man. Senseless idiot. Goat. Even if his car is a construction truck that gobs fuel, somebody is offering to give you fuel money. You're opening your dirty, stinking mouth to request a whooping sum of 200,000 naira. I mean, who does that? 200,000 naira for fuel money. What Diego? Hey. See, not so arrange boys, may they just beat this man. May they mend them. You know, past 10K. 10K don't do the work. They go beat Sam and come my.
No. You won't do that.
Do you have 200,000 naira? Udoka. You know, when people are faced with money issues or troubles, they sell their valuables, I mean, belongings, properties. It could be anything, to help raise whatever money it is to be able to solve their immediate problems. I've been thinking, aside your farmland, which you already told me just yesterday that you've sold, I don't know, is there any other thing you have that we can sell to at least solve this problem?
My brain?
Your brain. Brain. Udoka, are you joking? Hey, God. This girl. How can your brain raise 200,000 naira? Oh my God, Udoka. No, I'm not laughing at you, okay? Just that I hate poverty. Yes. I mean, look at you. See what poverty has turned a very beautiful girl into. Udoka, come on. I didn't mean it that way. Udoka, wait. I didn't mean to upset you. I was only joking. Udo. You know, if I had 200,000 naira to give to that idiotic professor, of course, I would give it to you without a blink. But I do not have it. When I suggested we give him an envelope to fuel his car, all I had in mind was just 20,000 naira. I mean, yes. That's about what we use in certain lecturers. How in God's name was I supposed to know that this greedy idiot will be demanding 200,000 naira? How? Udo, your phone is ringing. Your phone. What is it? Who's calling you? Who's calling you, Udo? Who is calling
Nothing.
you?
No one.
Okay, did you at least hear what I was trying to say?
I did.
Okay. I heard you. So?
Listen, I am not offended. I am not.
Are you sure?
The fact that you have let me share your hostel room rent-free for 3 years speaks volumes of your love and kindness to me. And I do not take it for granted. Thank you.
Now you're trying to make me shy. Okay, so how do we fix this? What are we going to do?
I don't know. Let's go.
Sugar.
Williams.
I wait for you. Eh? Kewe. Eh?
Good evening.
Evening.
If you don't mind, I want to take this photo.
Oh, I follow you.
No, you can't.
Kaiko, man.
Ne. I enter and the building house bigger and finer than this one. Wait. Is it that I can't or you don't want me to?
I don't want you to.
What about Kaiko, man? She buried Terry Williams her mind. I like that. I like it.
Udo, you're back. I'm glad you're back. Your Mr. Weary has actually been waiting to see you.
Nay, you're bearing me witness. I wait.
Exactly.
I'm sorry you have waited for some time. But you see, all I want to do now is rest my back and my feet. I've been standing all day.
In that case, Rex Williams Merego, aka Kaiko Man, take a good care of you. I will take you to somewhere that you will sit down and be chopping chicken with your 2 hands while you lace your back and your legs. Sekwa? You want to go?
There you go, baby girl. This dress is specially handpicked for you. I went with color blue because I know that Igbo men, they like to match. So this is for you to, to match with your weirdos. Baby girl, put this on, okay? And get going.
I don't want to.
You have to, Udo. You just dress up nicely, talk nicely, and get niceties out of his pockets. That's simple, girl.
That's not how it works in my world. They always want more.
So, what would they possibly want that you cannot give? You be virgin.
Yes.
Oh my God. Udo. Udo. I'm very sorry. Okay? I know that we've been roommates for like 3 years and you've not had a boyfriend. But I just didn't think that...
It's okay.
Like, you've never ever... Never ever. I mean, like... No. Wow. Udo. Anyways, nothing spoiled. You can as well just play it like the good girl that you are. Yes. As you sit there, eating chicken and drinking wine, you can as well just ask him to, give you 200,000. Of course, if he truly loves you as he claims, he will give it to you just to prove it. Yes. This is simple.
Nah, man. This girl want to guy Kaiko man. She forgetting that no guy can guy a guy you like me.
This man, calm down, okay? Just calm down and tell me what happened.
Nah, to do cow. She blinging campo girl sense with me. I telling her to go and dress up and come, let's go and chop money in a joint. She refusing. Then that Pharaoh Piro What's that guy?
Darling?
Dalingo. That one was pinching her like this. They thinking Kai command does not say. But I seized them. My phone is ringing. Wait. Pull you down. I will call you. Eh? One day, I will call you back. Cool you down. I will call you.
So tell me, did she finally follow you out?
Of course, so. After making me wait for so long, she finally come out looking like African mommy water. Yeah, Amaricha, it's like I'm going home now. Eh? And you have an important meeting to attend. You're keeping me waiting here since. I wait. Huh?
Anything you want, baby, put it on Kaiko, man. Onyenko. Don't be afraid, as long as the money come by. Onyenko. Aye, as long as the money come by.
Hey! Lady Jabo. Eh? Look at beauty. Eh? You wear this one, you shine. Look at you. You are even willing to match with me. Snake, where to? Eh? Well, I want to display you money. Wait here. I want to show you who Kai command is. Take this one. There is money, baby girl. Dance for me now. Move small for Kai command. Naomi. No. What are you doing? Leave it. Drop it that one. It's for the ancestors. What about? Leave it. There is more where this one came from.
Darling.
Let's go. Yeah. There is money. What a good. No. What are you? Oh, you are falling on my hand. Oh. Forget this one. Forget it. Eh? Come with me. There is money. Drop it, oh. Maybe the last one before we go. Come on.
Darling.
Come and enter. Let's go and drop the money. Nebiano now. You're wasting your time. Enter. Watch your head, oh. And listen here. Watch your head. Don't worry. Enter into the car. Let go.
What a lady. She couldn't stay away from the money.
Of course, women and money are like this, twins.
But, hold it. How does this translate to her wanting to gaye gayoyo?
Cool down. I am coming to that. Cool down.
I'm all ears.
Cool down. I will be telling you everything.
I am all ears.
I'm going to take very good care of you. I am taking you to somewhere that you will enjoy. It is me. Don't worry. This music is inspiration. It moves our spirit. It lifts the spirit. Because of you, I would even put it for. She ignoring me, telling me she doesn't hear me.
But how do you expect her to hear? You're always playing your music too loudly. Why though?
For Lil?
You're asking me for Lil.
God punish poverty. Punish poverty. They do not punish poverty. Punish poverty. God punish poverty. Punish poverty. Kaiko, kaiko, kaiko man. Kaiko, kaiko, kaiko man. Anything you want, baby, put it on kaiko man. Don't be afraid, as long as the money can buy. Aye. As long as the money can buy. Why better now be waker? Ask her about the kaiko man. I know they hide my face, oh. Everybody know me well, oh. I am the importer, the exporter, the money maker, the goal getter, the big shaker, the game changer, the pace setter, the big spender. Anything you want today, if the money you want today. Ngwa hurry up, let's catch fun. The thing they done, they throw away. Ngwa chop the money, ngwa chop the chicken, ngwa chop. Anything you want to chop. Kaiko man is not a bad guy, yo. Kaiko man.
She was chopping at her food small like a butter. I even tell them to bring wine, let us drink. She says she does not drink alcohol.
Okay.
After I telling her that I plan on spoiling her more with the cash, this girl telling me something I don't like.
And what was that?
Your big girl, it's everything here. This one is still cooking. I even hearing they are having crocodile moments here. It's everything. I command is here. I'm taking care of everything. Yeah. I'm not understanding.
I'm not really hungry.
You want to pack food home? Huh? Girls like you, when they hang out with two more guys, they want to pack food home. Don't worry, eat this one. Even if you want to carry it last, I will give you pack it at home. Eat on. Yeah, what is bothering you? Tell me, Kaiko man will take care of everything. Anything, you know I love you. I love you. I will do anything for you. Just tell me what the problem is, so I will take care of everything.
Well, there seemed to be a discrepancy in my med-cystosis course. And it's an unfortunate situation that, if not salvaged, translates to an extra year of studies for me. So, if I have 200,000 naira now, then the situation is as good as salvaged.
Baby girl, I am hearing Avatar na Avalon. And Salvatore. The glamour, the too much, oh. Break it down for Kaiko Mano.
What I mean is...
I hearing 200,000 from your mouth. You wanting me to giving you 200,000?
Well, I'm not the one that wants the money. It's my lecturer. My lecturer, I will give the money to my lecturer.
All these university girls. When you people want to collect money from somebody, you will be telling me a lecturer this one, lecturer that one. Oh, your plan is to confuse Kaiko man and collect 200,000. Yeah, I not to go school, but I'm when somebody wanna guide me. You want a guy command. They are eating this food. Eat all. Yeah. Bring that crocodile meat here. Eat everything. It's for you. You want a guy command. Eat now. Eat your food, baby girl.
So, I left.
Yeah, you have a biggie eye. Anytime I taking baby girls like you out, I always ask them what Kaiko man can do to make them happy, so they can open their wiggles for me. I always hearing things like 50,000, new phone, shopping, and go. So your own is 200,000. That means your wiggles is worth 200,000.
Excuse me.
So if I giving you 200,000, you will open it for me. Eh?
Mr. Williams, do I look like a whore whose womanhood is up for sale?
The girl, forget that thing. Forget it. I will be giving you this money 3 times over. What about? As long as you open it for me. I will be giving you money. That's all. It's not 200,000. I command is capable. I giving her money, she's spoiling me.
You mean like a prostitute? Yeah.
Me, Williams, prostitute. Now you sold yourself there.
But it's one and the same thing. If you give or receive money, or even material possession in exchange for sex, guess what? It is simply defined as prostitution.
But she wanting money. I giving her money for free?
It's up to you, my brother Williams. I mean, that girl doesn't look like someone that would want to exchange her body for money. It won't make her happy. You know, I mean, she doesn't come across or strike me like someone like that. Like what you're looking for.
And what else did he say or do while you were walking away?
Yeah? You're vexing for me. One solid. 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 Sit down. Yeah. Mwah. But I'm not saying it.
I left anyways.
Udoka, now what for you? So you mean your mother did not teach you that in life, to get something from a man, you need to develop the talent of, diplomacy and playfulness?
No. No, my mother did not teach me that. But she did, however, teach me never to allow any man toy with my dignity as a woman, whether in words or in actions. Thank you. Thank you for lending me your dress, the hair, shoe, all of it. I looked and felt like a queen wearing them. I know you're disappointed. Disappointed that my looks didn't fetch the desired results. Yes. God, let me tell you something. I'm not surprised. All my life, I have never received gifts from men. They either never notice me or consider me gift worthy. Either that or they just want my body in exchange for whatever they are offering. I have since learned to give myself everything. Growing up, since secondary school, I deliberately channeled my brilliance to the sciences. It's true what we have heard. Doctors make a lot of money. They are big money, so big.
Yeah.
One day, I'm going to be a doctor. And I'll have a lot of money. I'll have so much money to take care of my brother and my mother. One day, soon. I'm almost at the finish line. Is it not said that for every new level, new devils arise? Professor Damien and his 200,000 naira demand. It's a final hurdle that I must cross. It'll be fixed. tomorrow, I'll be going home. Wiki and I will double our hustle and do our best to raise the money. As we do that, we trust God to give us money miracles. He always does. You know, earlier, before we left,
the money from earlier, before you and Williams left for the restaurant, I counted it. It's 14,000.
14. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, when am I expecting you back?
In 3 weeks, I hope.
3 weeks? Doka, don't you think that is too much time to be away from your practicals? I mean, what about your projects and defense? What are you going to do about it?
I'll catch up. I always do.
Oh yeah, everything is gonna be alright. I know someday everything is gonna be fine. I'm not gonna let you take away my victory. I'm not gonna let you take away my peace of mind. I know someday, everything is gonna be alright. Oh, someday, I know I'm gonna be fine. Oh. I know someday, everything is gonna be alright. I know someday,
But you told us by April, everything will be over.
Yes, Mama. But this is still February.
February?
Yes.
Oh.
Mama, let me join Mickey so we'll finish quicker. The sun is...
It's okay.
It's too much. You should not be here. Bien, okay.
Why is she here? Sister, it's not my fault. Mama here is so stubborn. I leave her at home every single day, only for her to appear at my work site. Most times, she insists she must go with me.
Ogini.
I was calling you yesterday with Puna's phone.
I knew that was you.
And the doctor said if you not bring money for the last month treatment, he will not administer medicine on her again.
That's not news. He says that all the time.
But sister, we don't have the money. We don't have it. Few people I cleared their farmland since last month. They are still owing me. The little money I had on me, we have spent it. I don't even have a dime on me again.
I have the money.
Really?
Yes. Please, let us hurry and go home. You and I, we have to talk. It's important.
I'm not gonna let you take away my dreams. I'm not gonna let you take away my victory.
Sir, when results go up to the Senate, is there any possibility for a last-minute change?
Be more direct with your question so that I can understand what you're saying.
Sir, you remember my friend, the one I came to see you with the last time? The one who has a problem with Professor Damien. You see, the problem is yet to be rectified. And I just got an announcement a while ago from our course rep that results will be taken to the Senate in a fortnight.
She hasn't?
No.
Well, she may have to repeat if that's the case. Well, I guess that answers your question and whatever confusion you were having before. So good day, young lady.
Oh my God.
The matter tire me.
God, please. God, please. I don't want an extra year now. God, please.
But how are things going with you over there? What's going on? Have you been able to raise something? I mean, how much have you raised?
I make money now. I make money and I lose the same money.
How do you mean? Were you robbed?
I'm robbed all the time. I'm robbed all the time by illnesses.
Udoka, You've been ill?
No! It's not me. I'm not ill. It's my mother. She falls sick. She gets better. She falls sick. She gets better. Constantly having to take her to the hospital and buy a long list of drugs prescribed by the doctor has me dipping my hand into the same money that we're saving for Professor Damien.
Oh dear.
It's a lot of back and forth. I mean, if Mama were healthy now.
Sister,
Eh?
let us go back to the hospital. Doctor said that Mama is awake.
Oh, okay. I'm coming. Hello?
You mean you have to go?
Yes, I have to go now. Darling.
Yes?
I ask you for a favor, please. It will mean a lot to me.
Come on. You know I don't have this money. If I do, I would have given you a long time. You remember my last trip to Dubai? Like right now, I regret every of that move. Because I spent all I had shopping for bags and shoes. I don't have it. Okay, if I do, I will gladly give it to you. And you know the next time I will be expecting a Western Union transfer from my dad. It's going to be in another, let's say, 1 month. So you see, I don't have this money.
Darling, please stop. Stop now, please. The favor I want you to do for me is that you please help me go to Professor Damien's office and plead with him to please accept 40,000 naira that I have for now, just for now. I'm positive that before I graduate, I will give him the balance of 160,000 naira. Please, it's all I've been able to save. Tell him, beg him more. Beg this man for me. That's the real favor now. Tell him, beg him with every strength you have. Darling, seriously beg him. Make sure you get a good response from him. I'm begging you. Plead with Professor Damien till you get a favorable response. Because you know this means a lot to me and there's no other. Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, thank you.
I have told Mama. I know you begged me not to. But if you must meet up our target, she has to know first.
Wiki, why now? Why? Of what use would that be? You want to give her a heart attack?
Don't confess negatively. Mama is strong. There the Ebo, the one-eyed man, is a money lender. Yes.
Rike, money lenders require land collateral before they lend you money. Do we have land? Do we have land?
That is why I said Mama needs to know about this professor situation. Yes, she has to. Yes.
Okunu mara that now. Agreement, agreement. I am a very prudent businessman. And I don't do business with sentiment. If you had a piece of land as a collateral for this loan, it would have been better. But since you don't, we came here. It's good enough collateral for the loan. Pending when you have the money to pay. And I mean 100%. So that when I see him, I will be seeing my money. But don't worry, he will be well taken care of.
Dede, thank you very much for agreeing to loan us this money, even under such condition. Dalu, oh? You have known us for a long time now to know that we cannot run away with your money. Don't worry, my daughter here will soon finish school and has something doing. By then, everything about money issues will stop in my family.
Okay. I'm okay. You will tell my mom. Go and bring my bag so that we will sign some agreement.
Sister, I can see you are good to go.
Yes. I am still not over the fact that you gave up your freedom for my sake.
It's okay. You are my sister. It matters to Mama and I that to graduate. Thank God we even have the money now. I wish you all the best. Sister, I wish you all the best.
Thank you. I will not forget this. I will never forget this weekend. Thank you. I promise you, you will not have to stay here for the 6 months that is written in the agreement, and I will come back for you. I will find the money in no time and I will get you out of here. Okay?
I have heard you. It's okay.
Although as I prepare to leave, I cannot help but wonder about Mama.
No, it's okay. My friend, Bonna, will take care of Mama.
Hey.
Don't bother yourself. Just go. I wish you all the best.
Don't cry now. Are you about to cry? Wiki?
Yeah?
Don't.
Wiki? Oh, you are here and I've been looking for you inside. Okay. Barely 24 hours you got here. You're already doing family meeting. Now, Wiki, go inside. Come on, go inside. You've not even finished washing the clothes I even gave you to. You are even having to wave goodbye. Go to the back. Where is this one going to? Where? If I get... Come on, get out from here. Don't let me stone your head here.
Here is the money, sir. And it's complete. Sir, I have the money now. 200,000 naira. Please take it.
Miss Madekwe, so you and your tiny friend thought I was playing video games with you these past 2 weeks. It's clear that I'll be seeing you again next year, as there's nothing I can do for you.
Sir, please. I was not playing any games with you. I have been looking for this money the whole time. I finally have it. And that's why I'm bringing it to you now. Please take it.
I don't need this money. I never needed it. You are not intelligent after all. You are a slow scholar. And you know what happened to slow learners? They never meet up. Intervening now that your results are long gone with the Senate will leave me with a questionable academic reputation. And you know, everyone knows me as a man of integrity. You can escort yourself out of my office, Miss Udoka. Wait. Young girls like you know what to do. Are you so daft, or you're just pretending to be ignorant?
I don't understand.
Get a hotel room. You call me. I'll be there. I do the needful, you get the needful.
Excuse me?
Or we can do this again next year. It's up to you.
I did my best. God knows I did my best. I did my best. I did my best.
That pig. I knew that pig was up to no good.
Young ladies, I do not know who you want to report Professor Damian to.
No, sir. We do not wish to report him. Not at all. What we want to know is if you or someone else in the same authoritative hierarchy as him can help us beg Professor Damian to please reconsider and allow that my examination sheet be traced and remarked. I strongly suspect that my answer sheet was marked hastily, or there was an error that occurred. That's what we want.
Sir, what my friend is trying to say is she's 100% sure she passed this course.
Yes.
So
yes.
All we're demanding is just a fair chance for her answer script to be resorted. It's not like she wants to report him to anyone.
No reporting.
I see. But you report this kind of case to Professor Damian himself. And you cannot report him to himself. He's the dean of the faculty. Remember?
Well, sir, is there another person that we can talk to? Because I seriously don't want to have an extra year, sir.
The VC.
The Vice Chancellor.
You heard me right.
Okay.
But there's a problem, a big problem. The VC is best of friends with Professor Damian. So it will be very difficult for him to hold your words against his best friend.
So, sir, what do you advise that I do? What advice can you give me, please?
This will be a hard nut for you to crack. But I still have to say it. It's just a year. Receipt. But this time, be more careful and be more prayerful.
I always pray. I I pray all the time.
But not as you think. Reporting Professor Damien to anyone in authority will keep you more than just a year. Except you have another thing in mind to do about it.
No, of course not.
It's one of those things in the campus.
So you mean that? Oh God. It's okay. There will still be a way, okay? There's gonna be a way. Just calm down. Sir, this young girl sitting before you saw herself through school with her farm trade. Now, I know that is quite unbelievable, considering what girls of our generation do. But she did anyways. Now, she's in her finals. Her not-so-healthy poor mother is happy that finally her daughter graduates from this university as a medical doctor. Here she is before you, sir. And there you are. It's your world against hers. She kept to her part of the bargain. She took her studies really seriously. And now you want to be the one who crushes the dream of this poor woman and her innocent child?
You know your problem. You talk too much. Talk to your friend here, outside my office. She knows what to do.
Of course she knows what to do, but she doesn't want to do it. And which part of that is it that you don't understand? She is a blossoming young girl, yet to make decisions as regards her sexual engagements. Sir, the least you can do is respect her wishes. That is not too much to ask, is it?
Then we don't have any reason for this conversation, do we?
Sir, if I were your daughter, faced with a situation like this, what would you advise me to do? What will a learned professor advise his daughter faced with this exact situation to do? Tell me what it is, and I will do it this instant.
I don't have a daughter.
But what if you had one, sir?
Would you advise her to sleep with a man your age? Or would you advise her to say no with every sense of pride in her?
Do you know what? This offer is off.
What offer are we talking about here?
Your friend here will repeat the class.
What?
I think we are done here.
We're not done, please. I'm still begging you. Have a change of heart, please. Please, sir. It means everything to me. Please.
Udo.
Beg him some more.
Let's go.
No, wait. Let's beg him some more.
Udo, get up. Let's
Sir,
go.
please.
Udo, get up. Let's go.
Please, no.
Udo, come on.
I want to beg him some more, sir, please.
Go, Udo. Let's go.
Sir?
Let's leave this place. You're not God.
Sir, please. Sir.
Udo.
Help me, I have him.
No.
Please.
Sir.
What are you doing?
He wants sex, and I will give him sex.
Shh, no.
Shh. Let's just say that I will have sex with you and you pass my friend. I promise to give you a better grind than my friend here.
I'm sorry. Whose result are we talking about again?
Mine. Udoka Maduekwe, sir.
Then Udoka Maduekwe pays the price. I think it's time both of you leave my office before I do something stupid.
But you're doing something very stupid already.
What?
Goodness! What manner of a man are you? A man of your standing, requesting sex from his subject. And as if that is not bad enough, you father want to steal the innocence of a young girl? Goodness! What makes you feel you stand a chance? Just because you are one mean local university lecturer? You're so shameless. You think you are in position to deflower a girl? Punk ass.
You know what? I think I'm calling the security.
Yo,
right
you
now.
just go ahead and call the security and do that fast. You are a total disgrace. A disgrace to manhood. You have failed the world. I promise you, someday soon, the world will fail you. Punk. Udo, let's go. Let's get out of this. Let's go. Come on.
One day, you will remember this day. You will remember when a helpless undergraduate stood here in your office pleading with you for a favor that means nothing to you. Yet you vehemently refused. You will remember this day how badly you've hurt a poor soul like me. And the memory of it, the memory will haunt you for the rest of your life.
Udo, wait. Hold on. Here. Hold this for me. Go on. Just hold on to it. We're certainly not going to leave without a fight. This honorable man. I've got nothing to lose. I mean, I have my results already, so why not? Make I beat this man! Hey! I will beat him! Bastard!
Did you mean it? When you offered to have sex with him?
Of course I did. Why not if that would save you an extra year?
I wouldn't have allowed you.
Oh, really? What are these old men trying to teach in our country?
That they are randy men. Randy men that will stop at nothing in their quest to destroy the dignity of our generation of women, just to fulfill their failed youthful fantasies.
An old, foolish man demanding sex from a student. How sick. He must be really mad.
Truly. being an academician does not guarantee one has sense. I will rather recite his cause than to give up my dignity to that sad man. Never. 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 Never.
Why? Why didn't you tell me about this? I didn't know it was this bad.
I beg your pardon? If I had told you about it, what would you have done?
I would have given her the money, or better still found a way to fix it.
And why would you do that?
Because I hate to hear all you two have been through.
Talk is cheap. Okay? I'm not the kind of girl you can fool with your niceties. Your brother, Williams, who was in position to help, what did he do?
My brother Willie, there are still good girls out there, you know. The problem is that we're always quick to dismiss them as being rude just because they want to speak their minds. We're also quick to compare them to these girls that are easily swayed with gifts. But guess what, my brother? Any girl that loves you because of your money loves your money and not you. And that's exactly what happened between you and Salim.
Salim, we idiot.
Man, now dog, I'm an idiot. What the come on you say, Ade? My brother, don't let your experience with Salim limit your genuine care and love for other women.
What are you saying?
She asked you for money, right? Give it to her.
What do I gain now?
A lot. By giving a helping hand, with that gesture, you're healing the world. And the universe, in turn, would bless all your endeavors.
Man, you are speaking glamour. It's glamour.
If I believe for grammar, the world needs healing right now. You know, the distorted perception of this our generation and the so-called wokeness has spoiled a lot of things. You know, we are supposed to be evolving, our generation. We're supposed to be evolving just like any other nation. But guess what? Anyway, you travel around, so you see, go online, you see how others are growing. But what are we doing? We're stuck in place. We need to start changing that narrative. You see, integrity. It pays any day. And charity is the rent we pay for the life we live. Your gesture to Udoka would go a long way to show girls that are good that it's beneficial to still be good. And of course, other people like your selling will learn also from the experience.
Now, don't you call him Serene. Serene, we idiot. Don't you call him her name here.
Anudoka Buri idiot. Willie, you sowed a seed of 1 million naira to your pastor for your trip to China last week, right?
If I travel to this China and come back, it's home.
Exactly my point. Sow a seed of charity into this girl's life. You already see what the money-hungry, lost hope of the society lecturer is doing to her. She doesn't even need this money to buy hair or cream. Unlike your Celine and her mates.
You're calling this girl's Sharing idiot too. You're calling her name again, no? I am hearing you.
I thought he did as I asked him.
Well, it's obvious he didn't. Because he didn't get what he wanted.
Nah. Williams is not like that. Maybe he forgot or something. And maybe it's because he traveled to China shortly after that encounter. Williams is not that kind of guy. He's not.
Excuse me, please. Darling, I want to see you outside.
Udo, what's going on?
I'm going home.
Why? I mean, you just got back.
I know, but I'm going home. My mother and brother, they need me.
What is it?
She's going home.
Home? To where?
Ubolu.
But I thought...
Thank you again. I'll continue the rest on foot.
Are you sure, Udoka?
I'm sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I know someday, everything is gonna be
Hey, I can't see where Wike, my son. Wike Wame, Wike Wam. My only son. My only son, no. That's not two. Only son.
Everything will be fine, Mama.
Hey, Mano. Hey, Debo. Ah. Hey.
Mama, calm down. Mama. Calm down.
Why are you crying? Okay.
Udoka, why are you back?
I asked you first. Why are you crying? Bunna. Ogin.
Sister.
What is it?
My body, sister, please. Mama. I'm sorry. I want it again. Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? Why? Come and jump up your own beauty. Take him off or take him to the back. Please.
Yudee is a very wicked man. I don't want Wike to suffer. Mama. Please.
Hi, Chukunna. So this is how the devil will be abusing my son till the next 6 months. Or will he?
No, Mama, it won't get to that. I still have the money. Let us go and bring Wike back.
How much is that?
Dede, it's 200,000 naira. Same as you gave us yesterday. We've not touched it.
Agreement is agreement. The agreement says 400,000 or 200,000. 6 months duration, 100% interest. Chelegodu, open that book.
The last one before Mazi Okafo.
Lead it for them, let them hear.
Even if the money is paid a day later, it must be paid complete 400,000.
So you heard him. Yeah? Udoka. Say you are the undergraduate and you are very intelligent and you know maths very well. You are supposed to know that my money is not 200,000 but 400,000.
Hey, but Dede, please take this one from us first. Take this 200,000 and release Wike to us. We will bring the balance of 200,000 later.
You must be a fool. And a big one at that. You think a day does lending of money because I want to catch fun, Okwaya? I am not here to catch fun. I am a businessman. I am doing this business because I want to double or even triple my finances. Later, people like you will go out there and be telling people that a day is a wicked man, a day is this, and a day is that. But today is only doing business. Day is doing business, whoa. Okay, open this door for me.
Mama biko arapu kwanamo. Mama biko arapu kwanamo. Nemu bikarapu kwanamo. Nemu bikarapu kwanamo agio.
I want my brother Wike. Did you see your brother here? Wike! Yeah, they don't make noise in this compound. Wike! Wike! Wike what? What is that? Wike, come here! Come here! Come here!
Turn off the light on me.
Am I not close?
Turn off the light on me.
Come here!
Darkness is all I see. Darkness is all I see. Darkness is all I see. Nemo. Darkness is all I see. Mama mo. Mama biko arapu kwanamo. Mama biko arapu kwanamo. Nemu bikarapu kwanamo. Nemu bikarapu kwanamo agio. Obonye, nyekani mejorodo.
What do you do when the only option you have is to do what you have to do? Udoka, be brave. Do the right thing. 7 years is a long time to hold on to the past.
PTSD? What is that?
Post-traumatic stress disorder is an emotional state of imbalance or instability Simply put, she can't perform the surgery.
What? What does that mean? What do you mean? You mean you will just sit back and watch my father die? Please, doctor. Please, you need to help my father. Please. Where is the neurosurgeon? I need to speak with her myself.
Trauma transforms people, both inwardly and outwardly. As you know, it is hazardous to the brain. Udoka, do not let the pain you feel get the best part of you. You have to let it go, Udo. You have to rise above it.
Said let it go, trying to let it go, but this pain won't just go away. I said let it go, I swear I'm trying to let it go, but this pain won't just go away. But this pain won't just go away. Oh yeah. Have you ever been where I am coming from? And you will understand if you ever be where I am.
Baby.
Oh yeah. They said let it go, I'm trying to let it go, but this pain won't just go away. They said let it go, I swear I'm trying to let it go, but this pain won't just go away. And this pain won't just fade away.
Welcome. You know, she is...
Uncle, leave it to me.
I was going to say fragile. She's fragile right now.
Fragile? Which one is a fragile again, Kwanu?
Williams, you have to brace up. Okay? I'll be leaving now.
This pain won't just go away. Have you ever been where I am coming from?
You have go before I come. So, are you pregnant? The ring is so telling me that you that you are flagello.
I am not pregnant.
So, what it is? Today, today is our marriage anniversary. Do you remember? I was so planning a special supplies for you before they calling me to come to hospital. Cello. Hmm? Cello. Let me take you somewhere. We'll go and celebrate. My fine wife. You're shining.
What is there to celebrate?
Love. I love love. I didn't used to be living in love. But with you,
Salino love mo, nego di female mo, nego di female mo. Kedu se kose, dege no bi onyama. Salino wanyama. If we give female mo. Nego di female guy go wakama. Kedu ya kosi digging up. You see, I carry my heart to give you, carry my love and dash you. You carry up, slap me for my face, call me monkey. You call me a useless man. Oh.
What do I do?
Because I love you. So you use me. Throw away before there's a beat. Negodeno kachukusi mwebunie mwobwenye. Sitene people favifia. Oh. Oh. Negodeno kachukusi mwebunie mwobwenye. Sitene people favifia. Salino wanyama, and I got a female.
I wait for you. I wait. Eh?
Sorry, I'm just seeing your call. I was not on my phone.
It's alright. You're Chinese.
Thank you.
See, I buy you all these things.
Are you serious? That's why I love you.
I love you too.
Hey.
See. Kali.
What's this for me?
If I do you well, if I do you well.
Listen, Williams. If not for the genuine love that you have for Celia, I won't bother myself telling you all this now.
Charlie! Serene, do this to me. After all the love I showered on her. Young water. Are you sure you are telling me the truth? Or you are trying to destroy me and my Serene?
You know what? Sin is believing, right? Don't worry. I have a plan.
Serene! Serene! What is going on here?
Mr. Williams, how are you?
Me? Williams? So, I'm no longer your love, your sugar, your daddy. Hey, Serene?
Sexy, who is this?
Who is me? Who is me? I am a husband to be.
How what?
Darling, don't mind him. He's one of my customers. I buy clothes from him.
I told her small.
Let's go.
Wait.
Hey, young man, what's wrong with you? Are you mad as well?
My brother. If I passing through you, Makachuku, you will not wrap yourself.
This guy is funny.
Serene.
It's funny.
I now selling clothes, Serene. After all the love I showered on you, Serene, I now selling clothes. I paying your school fees, I buying clothes for you, I giving you everything, Serene. Now I am now selling clothes.
I have told you times without number, stop calling me your love. I will still patronize and buy clothes from you, so cut the crap. Me, Celine, your love. Can you imagine a classless man like him? Sweetheart, let's go.
Serene.
Where did you meet this guy?
But I am not dilemmaing now, Serene.
Mr. Williams, you are not a dilemma. Let's go.
Serene!
This guy, where did you meet this guy? It's funny.
It's one of the funniest customers I know. Always sweet talking me to buy more than my plans.
Really?
Sweet talking Igbo man.
That guy is funny.
Because I love you. So you use me. Throw away before there's a beat.
4 years. 4 long years of my attention, time and money wasted on Serene. at you, doing like a pussycat because of a woman. Eh? What is special about this one?
Everything. The way she walks, the way she talks, the way she carries herself, elegantly. Williams, this one is a perfect one for me.
Rough one, Problem. Me, I am here for moral support. But to telling her to hurry up. We are waiting. And time is money. I still have to go to the market.
Williams, it is wait, not wet.
When you're speaking your own, I was speaking my own.
Right, just say wait first. Try it.
What is? It is a wet too. Which one is what is that? Oh, they're here.
Have you seen my baby? She's so damn fine. Looking like an angel from the sky. Look at you. Come on.
Oh my God.
Oh, my baby. Oh, you take my breath away every time.
And you take me out of my studies all the time.
Oh, come on. I'm sorry about that. Well, thanks for coming out to meet me.
Like I had a choice. I mean, with your calls trying to blow up my phone.
Please, my brother Williams. I always told you about him. He insisted on joining me here today.
Baby girl. My name is Williams, aka Kaiko Man, the only guy by himself.
Wow. Hi, Will.
It is a pleasure to meeting you.
I'm sure it's a pleasure as well. Please.
Can I meeting you too? You look familiar.
Oh my
Oh, wait.
God.
I'm sorry. Okay, so I mean, that's Udoka, my baby's classmate and roommate.
I'm not your baby.
You are my baby. Come on.
Am I?
Yes, you are. And Udoka, that's my elder brother. His name is Williams.
Hi, William.
Yeah? Is this your little self? Sometimes or all the time?
Excuse me?
The first time that I meeting you that day, I remember Serene. Telling myself, innocently rock my food. Pretender, do the worst. Serene opened my eye to the game women pray. Yeah, you have a big eye. Anytime I taking baby girls like you out, I always ask them what Kaiko man can do to make them happy, so they can open their beggars for me. That ugly experience is the reason I'm not helping you that day that you want in my head. I wishing I can rewind it like a film, so I can do you well. I'm still very sorry, Mommy.
You just wait here for me, okay? I just grab the documents and then we'll be on our way out. I promise I won't be long.
Okay.
Baby?
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Darling.
So, what's up? The documents.
See that. Relax.
Baby. What's going on?
That.
Oh my!
The
Oh my
petals of
God!
flowers attracts a bee. Not so your aura. They pull me. They say love is blind, but I can see. Said now you be the girl we I will marry.
Serious?
Beautiful. I will call you my forever. I'll love you and never let this flower go. We belong together now and forever. Our love will never die. We belong together now and forever. Our love will never die. Your smile is the sunlight. You give me light. Baby, tell me you'll marry me.
Are you joking? Yes! Why not?
Look at my idea. Thank you.
Oh.
Why are you people talking in a small voice? Please now, Amen. Because winding down. Please, I want to talk to you. Please. Now listen now. Please, just wind down. Let me talk small to you. Please. Please. I want to tell you something very important. Please. Because wind down now. Winding down. Hearing me out first. Hearing me out. Because no. Do. Doka.
Who is that?
Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Let me explain.
I wanna love you.
Please wait.
I wanna love you.
Because please. Hear me out first. Please.
Let me love you. Love you. Oh yeah.
Udo, hear me out first now, eh?
But sometimes I feel I'm not good enough. Sometimes you feel you're not good enough. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Love you. I wanna love you. Forget about the experience. Forget about the past now. Let me love you. I wanna love you. I wanna love you. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Let me love you. Let me love you. Love you.
I traveled to China. That the same week that we shopping in that restaurant. I coming back to Nigeria after 1 year of touring Asia. But all that time that I am in Asia, true to God, I thinking about you. But thank God for my brother Emeka.
Sometimes I feel I don't deserve you. Please take me just as I am. Let me love you. I wanna love you. Wanna show you the peace of my mind. Oh, I wanna love you.
You look so good. You look so good. Same here. It's so
Yeah.
Udoka, the truth is that Williams has hurt you badly. We all know that. But he's sorry. Very sorry. He has actually never been himself ever since then.
Odo, of course, I understand how you feel about all of this. Yes, he hurts you, but Amin is here to say sorry. So you can just calm down and listen to him. Please. I know it's not going to be easy. Hmm? Please, just relax and calm down. Please, Udo.
I wanna love you.
Udoka. Fine, intelligent girl like you should not be selling blood and ugu. It will be sweeting my heart that you becoming a medical doctor like your friend Darling. I calling a few people and they telling me that you can finish your schooling abroad. They also telling me that it will take a serious cash. But I have the cash. What to use is this cash if I cannot spend it on my rough?
What is he talking about?
Udo, the good news is the Northern Ontario School of Medicine has responded to the study application we sent out. Yes. And that was not my idea, but I mean, all of William's here. You see, Williams here has also gone ahead to pay for your tuition and travel expenses to study neurology at the university. So you see, your dreams are coming true, baby girl. Yes.
I love you, Doka. Let me show you love for the rest of your life. To show you how serious I am. Please, marry me.
I don't want them.
Oh my God.
Please.
Oh, that's the cutest thing I've had today. My days. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh.
Allow me.
Oh.
Who is me? Who is so ordinarily Kai Komano? That God will rock me finish and bless me with an intelligent and beautiful doctor as my wife. I love you. Telling me you're loving me too. Am I saying something wrong?
Hello? Please, please don't hang up. Please. I've been calling you for like God knows how long. Look, I understand that you are pained about the past, but I apologize, like, from the depth of my heart, I do. I am very, very sorry. Hello? Shit.
The day has finally come.
What day?
The day you will have no choice but to confront your fears.
There's something I want to tell you.
Is it about the past scoring you?
Excuse me.
A man from your past says he's sorry. Udo, I used to thinking that I am the only man in your life, past and present. Who it is? Who is scoring you?
Years ago, in the university, the same lecturer that demanded ₦200,000 from me equally demanded to have sex with me before I graduated.
Get a hotel room. You call me. I'll be there. I do the needful. You get the needful.
Excuse me?
Or we can do this again next year. It's up to you.
I stayed in school an extra year. Studying hard to pass Professor Damien's course. This time I had a plan. So I took a snapshot. I took a snapshot of my examination sheet on the day of the exams before submitting my papers. And now that the result is out, I have cross-checked the answers I wrote on the exam day with what it's supposed to be, and I have seen that I deserve an A. Why do I have to see an F in my result again? Why?
So that means you indulged in an examination malpractice then, by bringing in your handset into my examination hall.
I only took a snapshot. I only took a snapshot so that I could show you if a situation like this will ever arise.
Tell me, how much does your pussy want? 2 more years?
I've never felt lower my entire life. Never. will not receipt your cause, sir. Neither will I sleep with you. Never.
You are so naive, young woman. So naive. And it will cost you so much more before you realize it. I mean, what do I have to lose? Nothing. You're here wasting your valuable time, proving stubborn, while your mates have graduated and are out there doing their dream job.
Exactly 1 year ago, you and I sat out here under this same tree to talk about the same man. The difference is, 1 year later, I have graduated, but you still haven't. Isn't it clear to you that this man is out to ruin your life? I mean, Udo, please, do not let him win. Do not.
I'm so confused. I'm confused. I'm confused, darling. I'm confused.
Udoka, I'm afraid you may have to do the needful.
Yeah?
I'm serious, Udo. I am not here to bully you. This is life. And in life battles, you win some, you lose some. But I'm afraid you might have to lose this one.
Why is this man bent on sleeping with me? When it is clear I don't want to sleep with him, I don't.
It's called ego. Men hate to be turned down. They hate it more when they have the slightest feeling of being inferior.
Well, he is already inferior, thinking grades will get him sex.
Udoka, he's not seeing it from your perception. Men led by libido, they only see what their libido sees.
Then Darlene made me understand that there was no use fighting. She said that it was apparent that that man, he was determined to hold me down indefinitely in that university. Then she advised me. And I weighed the gains and the losses that have come with the situation. Checked my pros and the cons. Then I made a decision. I made the scariest and the hardest decision of my life. The following week, I met the professor in a hotel. Where the deed was done.
Have you ever been hurt? Hurt so badly. You can only ask for grace to do what is right. Have you ever been caught so deep and it hurts so badly, and you can only cry for grace to do what is right? Heaven, please shower your grace on me. Heaven, please shower your grace on me. Shower your grace on me to do what is right. Heaven, please pour down your grace on me. Heaven, please rain down your grace on me. Shower your grace on me to do what is right. Shower your grace on me to do what is right. Frequently, what is right is not convenient, and what is convenient,
I wished for superpowers so I could kill him. I wanted to kill him. I hated myself. I hated him.
Heaven, please shower your grace on me. Heaven, please shower your grace on me. Shower your grace.
Why do this?
I told you. I told you you were a naive girl. You see exactly what I mean?
Are you the devil?
You stressed me for nothing. You think you're one goddess that should be worshipped. Do you know how many girls that are more beautiful than you that I've been with? I will teach you the lesson of your life that you will never forget. You are repeating this year.
I have heard about devils. But in you, I see one. You're so evil. Eve. Look at what you have done. I curse you. I curse you with the pain in my heart. You will feel this much pain one day. One day you will be in a situation where you are nothing but helpless. And guess what? The persons who hold the key to your hope will withhold it from you. Just as you have done to me. It will happen because I curse you with my heart. With the pain in my heart, I curse you. Maybe on that day, when it is your turn to feel the pain I am feeling now. On that day, you will remember me on a day like this.
Get out of my office.
I curse you.
Get out of my face. Get out.
They say it's a small world. It's a small world. How was I to know? How was I to know that a day like this? Woke up. I saw him today. I saw the devil today. I saw the devil that has lived rent-free in my mind all these years. Rent-free. I saw him. I saw him today. And now they want me. And I'm supposed to... No, I can't. I can't.
Yeah? You sing who?
I know the patient.
So?
I won't be performing the surgery on him.
Wait. PTSD.
Yes. Excuse me.
Why didn't you tell me? You prank to keeping it to yourself till the kingdom come. Clearly, I'm meaning nothing to you. All you caring about is yourself and your career.
You're right. You are absolutely right. But tell me how it is I am supposed to bring myself and tell the little queens that it's a man's world. A world where the male gender constantly predates the female gender. Where you men constantly bully our souls out of our bodies. Where you men constantly stampede on the woman's rights. And when we cry foul, you call us unprintable names. Victimizing and shredding us to our core. While you sit and rejoice at the loveliness of it all.
Hello?
Hello? Dr. Doka, is that you? Don't hang up. Hello? Please, this man's condition is getting really serious. Hello?
Who it is?
Sir, I'm Vanessa, Dr. Vanessa. I'm the chief medical personnel of Pure Life Hospital. Please, I want to speak with Dr. Doka.
I am a husband. Talks to me. I knowing one person she can listen to.
So let it go. I'm trying to let it go. But this pain won't just go away. I said let it go. I swear I'm trying to let it go. But this pain won't just go away. But this pain won't just go away. Oh yeah. Have you ever been where I am coming from? Then you will understand. If you ever been
Which one hurts the most?
Everything.
What does your heart tell you?
Revenge.
What else?
Murder.
If revenging compensates you for every evil done to you and your family, then by all means, avenge. But if letting go and allowing God to heal you of every internal sorrow, girlfriend, by all means, let go. Okay? Udoka, there is no harm in trying. But there will be conscience attack in not trying to help. I know it's not easy. I understand. But come on. You can just forgive and forget. Why not see him as every other patient of yours who needs an emergency treatment? If God treats us humans according to our offenses against him, there will be no man left on earth. Udoka. Hence is the merciful God that forgives and admonishes us to forgive one another. It is not in your place to judge or punish evildoers like Professor Damien. Maybe it's a life or reason. A reason that you and I cannot fathom at the moment. Good people of this world will have to constantly show and radiate their goodness for the evil ones to see and try to emulate. Remember that you once said, Udo, that it's ignorance of a person that lead him or her to commit evil. Don't be ignorant. Udoka.
In my head, you are the world's best dad. My role model. My hero. In my mother's heart, you are a regrettable past. And in the eyes of so many women out there, you are the devil himself. How, Dad? How did you move from being a human being to such an animal?
I am the series of mistakes no man should make. What you see of me now is a consequence of many of my awful choices. I had the chance to be a worthy father, a husband, and a tutor. I took for granted the many blessings and opportunities that came with occupying such vital positions. I hate my life, and it's a miracle I survived. I don't deserve the second shot life has given to me.
Udoka Maduekwe. Does that name ring any bell?
Apologies can never reverse the effect of what I did to you, Dr. Udoka. I know my life is worthless to you, but then I owe it to you. What we lecturers and men alike in Nigeria at large do to you girls is a personal evil choice. To harness the window of opportunity that lies amidst an ignorant society where women suffer more, forcing my sexual intentions to be accepted by you and other ladies I hurt in the past, was to gratify an insecure ego of mine. I didn't love my job at the university that much. Not until I started having multiple affairs with young girls like you. Oh heavens. It was like a sea of ignorant women at my disposal to satisfy my sexual desires that I was done getting from my wife, Margaret.
All these years, I have had questions in my head. Questions begging for answers. Of all these questions, one that takes predominance is: why me? I want to know. Growing up, my mother always said that indecent dressing is indecent lifestyle. Indecent lifestyle attracts indecent men. Back in the university, I was just Udoka. I was a normal schoolgirl. There was nothing about me that screamed sex appeal. Not my dressing, not my conduct, nothing. I do not mean to judge my fellow women whom I attended the university with. But I was different. Unlike them, I had virtue that I was willing to keep because it mattered to me. There was even my friend who willingly, freely offered herself, but you declined. You insisted on victimizing Udoka Maduekwe. Today I finally get to ask you. I want to know, why me? Tell me, why me?
To be honest with you, Dr. Udoka, it's all about adventures for me. Men love adventures.
Adventure. Well, women, unlike men, are all about emotions, not adventure. Yeah.
Not only adventure, it was also about ego for me, insecurities. No woman has ever stood up to me the way you did. Not even my ex-wife, Margaret. I saw your boldness as an insult, rather than accept your courage. I wanted to win so badly, to prove a point, to salvage my battered ego. I damaged you.
I am not damaged.
I damaged your dignity. Let me atone. Let me atone for my sins. Anything at all, anything you say.
I am not God. You atone to God, not me.
But I want it with you. So I want to atone for my sins. Please. Please.
I forgive you. You have hurt the world. And you will heal the world. You want to atone?
Yes.
Share your story. I want you to share your story publicly. Share it so that my fellow women, ladies, and young girls in the Nigerian universities and the society at large will hear. Vulnerable ladies who randy men like you have taken advantage of. Share it that they may hear. Share it that your fellow men will hear and know that karma is real. That just like you, what goes around comes back around.
Done. I will do it. I will do it.
My good friend and politician, Ambassador Chacha Eke, also telling me that there was time that we travel to Santorini, Greece. That the future is a woman.
Future is female.
Have you ever been hurt badly. You can only ask for grace to do what is right. Have you ever been caught so deep and it hurts so badly, and you can only cry for grace?
Oh, my beautiful wife. Eh? You are shining. Oh. Pregnancy is fitting you. Oh.
Thank you for bringing me out here. I had a good time.
Sugar, anything for you. Eh? My friend, Dr. Chukwano was light. Eh? You're not angry again, and Oviam. Pregnancy have come. When this my golden boy alive, like 1,000 feet container from the high sea, eh? What I will do, eh? What I will do.
Please, what will you do that you have not done already?
Hey, small, eh? Don't lose. Don't lose.
Please pour down your grace on me. Heaven, please rain down your grace on me.
Small, eh?
Shower your grace on me. Do what is right.
The way you are fussing about this baby. It's a boy, eh?
It's a boy.
Frequently, what is right is not convenient, and what is convenient isn't right. So to do what is right, you gotta do something inconvenient to do what is right. Seek for grace. Heaven, please shower your grace on me. Heaven, please shower your grace on me.
Sister.
We can see.
Sister.
I thought you were dead. I honestly thought you died. I looked for you. I looked for you everywhere. Okay, what happened?
Sister, it is a long story. That very night, I was dragged into a lorry going far away north. I stayed as a slave in Jigawa over 2 years. After my old master died,
They shipped me to a new one in Warri.
Thank you. Chukudalo. Thank you. I thank thee. I thank you, God. You have shown me that you're real. Thank you. Welcome back.
Thank you.
How did you find him?
I paying a private investigator to look for him. I knowing it will make you happy.
Yes. Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy. Thank you. Let me get you people some food.
Thank you. Yes.
Have you ever been hurt? Hurt so badly you can only ask for grace to do what is right. Have you ever been caught so deep and it hurt so badly, and you can only cry for grace to do what is right? Heaven, please shower your grace on me. Heaven, please shower your grace on me. Shower your grace on me to do what is right. Heaven, please pour down your grace on me. Heaven, please rain down your grace on me. Shower your grace on me to do what is right.